Hi everybody. Well, welcome back to the relaunch of the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage YouTube channel. Yes, the decision has finally been made after a survey that ended up lasting 3 months instead of one. I have listened to those of you who spoke your minds and shared with me what you thought, because I had asked the question after 10 years and 5 million views, 41,000 subscribers. Should we do more? Should there be more and new ways to learn on this channel? And you all told me yes, overwhelmingly. And I'm so grateful for those of you who filled out the survey, and those of you who didn't. You've been supporting, some of you have been supporting this channel for a decade. And I am so grateful to you. So I'm happy to share the news that yes, the channel is going forward. And the reason you see this screen in front of you is that this is a model that I am beginning to launch with the relaunch of the channel. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. Many of you have heard of it, and some of you, quite a few of you, may use it. I noticed this in the survey results. So when you go to the channel, you will see the link to Buy Me a Coffee, and you'll see it. You should see it right at the home video. You'll see it under the channel description, and every single video in the description of the video, in that space, you will see the link. And again, you only need to you can click on the link. You don't have to be a member of Buy Me a Coffee, although many of you actually are, I believe. You don't have to be registered there, but there will be an opportunity to become a member at my Buy Me a Coffee page. And just so you know, the Buy Me a Coffee page is going to look really familiar to all of you, because you won't have to guess whose page is whose. When you get to that link, it's going to take you here, and it's going to instantly, you'll know where you are. As all of you know, this image is of a Singer 301. It is the first machine I ever attempted to restore, and I did successfully restore it. But this is the photo that I use to identify this channel so you all can find me. And again, you'll go in and you can easily support with however many coffees you wish. You can do it on a monthly basis or one time at whatever amount that you decide is appropriate based on what you have gained or learned or benefited in whatever way from the channel. So again, this is just a primer. This is sort of a a premiere coming attractions video. I didn't want to make a 30-minute video for my first video after months being on sabbatical here. But I will tell you that the results of the survey, and I will share those in a separate video that's far more in depth, those results were amazing. I was floored. I could not believe the amount of encouragement and support. And that's how I made this decision, because I didn't really know what I should do with it. We all have 24 hours in a day, and you, me, all of us. And to get that level of support is what encouraged me to launch this Buy Me a Coffee model for the channel. So, yep, you see the same channel icon. You know that you're at Vintage Sewing Machine Garage, and you will have options in terms of what you can do to support the channel. And we are starting with donations, and then, as I will go into more detail in the other video to come, basically we're going to offer other things, and I'm going to listen to all of you. So please put down in the comments in this video, that I'm trying really hard to keep short, put in the comments what else you would like to see. And you'll see that other people have made suggestions there in the survey itself. Memberships, what would you like to see in the memberships as something, or maybe you would just join and become a member to support the channel. So thank you again for everyone who filled out the survey. I'm very excited. We've had 10 years, and here's to 10 more years. So again, you don't have to wait. You can go straight to Buy Me a Coffee. And if over the years, if this channel has helped you in any way, please consider doing so at whatever level you think is appropriate. And I will see you in the next video, where I will then showcase I will actually go through the survey results so you can see what viewers of the channel had to say to me and what they thought they wanted to see and what I should do about it. So again, I'm so grateful for that support, and we're moving forward. We're relaunching, we're continuing the channel and continuing to expand the channel, and lots more ideas to come. So thank you again, and I will see you in the debut video. This really is the relaunch video you're watching, but I'm going to do an actual video where I share with you in detail what everyone has had to say. Thank you again, and we will see you soon.